What is up, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to WP Workshop. What I want to show you today is how to set up your WordPress profile picture without Gravatar. Alright, so here we are. This is my website, just an example website with an example blog post. And first off, what the problem is. Since you're watching this video, then you probably noticed that your user in WordPress doesn't really have much of a good looking profile picture. Maybe something like this, right? So by default, your WordPress profile picture will look something like that, which is basically blank. Okay, so you probably wanted to change it, so you just went into the dashboard, into your profile, and you just realized that you can only set your profile picture if you go to something called Gravatar. Yeah, and you don't want to do it because why wouldn't you be able to just change your profile picture within your site, and why do you have to go elsewhere? Yes, the good news is that you can do it all in WordPress. What you do need, however, is a new plugin. So this is the plugin. It's simply called Basic User Avatars, and it's gonna let you set normal avatars on your site. So let's just grab the name. Let's go into plugins, add new. Let's put the plugin's name in here. Yeah, this is the one. Let's install. Let's activate. Cool, seems to be working. So if I go into my profile right now, I'm gonna see a new browse button next to my avatar, and this indeed allows you to upload any image you want. Okay, so I just picked one from my desktop. Let's just click on update, and yeah, this is my new profile picture. And you're gonna notice that it's already been set here in the corner as my default profile picture. So if I go to my blog post again and I refresh the post, my profile picture is indeed in here by default. Okay, so as you can see, it all worked pretty perfectly with no hiccups at all. But what to do if you cannot see your user picture next to your username? I think I don't have this set on the about page, so let me check. Yeah, there's just the heading, so let's edit this page. So what you can do is change the layout of this whole page template. For this, let's click into edit site. Let's see the list view, and what we're gonna see here is the structure of the page right now. So for example, we can see that this page has its title, then some space for the featured image, but no mention of the author. So let's change that. Let's add an author block. This one is gonna be good. Let's also add the avatar. Okay, we have those. All good, but not the best design. So actually, let me add a row. So I have the row ready. Let's switch into the list view. Let's just bring the avatar and the author name inside the row. And now I can just maybe make the size a bit smaller. And I might also want to add a paragraph just before the author picture and the name. So let's drag it in inside as well. Let's put it in here and let's just type by. So right now we have a kind of a nice design. Let's just move it into the center. The picture, this can be even smaller. Why not? Let's just save it. The template has been saved. Let's see it again. And right now we have basically the same thing displayed. Of course, you can do whatever you want to this simple design. And you know, just in case, to make things clear, I am using a block theme. So I am on the default 2024 WordPress theme. It is a block theme. This is why I get to use the site editor and tweak things this way. If you are on a classic theme, then displaying your author image might work a bit differently, but the basics stay the same. What you need first of all is to install this plugin, and it's gonna enable the default functionality, meaning that it's gonna allow you to set your profile picture, a custom profile picture, in your actual user profile. Yeah, and that is it. That is the whole task. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you're having any problems with your user pictures, with your avatars. Maybe together we're gonna be able to figure it out. And in the meantime, I'm Karol. You can find me at wpwork.shop, and see you next time.